Faiz from Bangladesh.
Assalamualaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum salam wa rahmatullah.
A lot of people from here are blind followers of a madhab. I really like how you preach and how you emphasize on following the authentic opinion from the Quran and Sunnah, and so I follow you. However, when I pray in accordance to the Quran and Sunnah, how you showed, or do things differently from them, they think I'm making things up. Or even if I tell them I can provide reference, they ask me what madhab I follow, and if I say I try to follow the most authentic opinion from the Quran and Sunnah, they take it as if I'm implying they don't follow it and get offended. So how should I respond when they ask what madhab do I follow when I primarily depend upon you? Jazakallahu khair.
Jazakum. Whenever they ask you, they just tell them I'm following the Shafi'i madhab. What they hate most is raising the hands and saying Ameen. And this is in the Shafi'i madhab and the other madhabs as well, except the madhab of Imam Abu Hanifa. So whenever they tell you, just tell them Shafi'i madhab and move on. It's not a big issue, akhi. Don't make an issue out of it. You don't have to guide them or have to teach them. You can lead a horse to the water and it will follow you for 2 miles, but you can't force it to drink. So leave them with the ignorance and just smile and try to dodge their question without arguing.